Hello and welcome back to Pure on the Road. I'm Sam Marasini back at VMware Explore 2022. I'm with Emily Tejas. Emily, how are you?
I'm good.
Emily is a senior SE for Veeam, and she just presented in the Pure booth. Just standing remotely?
Yes, standing remotely.
It was indeed. Now, because of the information, and I'll tell you what, I learned a lot about the relationship, what's been happening, and some new enhancements that are coming on the Veeam side, and integration between Veeam and Pure.
Yeah, super exciting about that, especially because, you know, the Veeam and Pure relationship, we actually work together to come out with the different integrations that are going to be supported between both of our joint solutions, which also make it very easy for customers to actually want to invest and continue to invest in both of our companies.
That's what it's all about, and really the heart of this is all about data protection.
Absolutely.
It's about ransomware recovery. It's about integrating things like safe mode snapshots, you name it. So what are some of the things that customers are asking you about that integration?
Oh, I think the biggest ones is like doing snapshot-based replication, right? Being able to have full control of how often we're orchestrating those snapshots from one array to the other, which is something that's coming soon between Veeam and Pure with the new universal plugin.
Love that. Universal plugin, this version 12, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Can't wait for that.
Yep, and I would say the other thing is every single customer that I've always spoken to has a cloud initiative.
Sure.
Whether that's going to AWS, Google, Azure, or if it's even leveraging some type of on-premise object storage, right? Like Pure FlashBlade, leveraging objects. So being able to orchestrate their snapshots and continue to archive that data off onto those solutions so that way they can leverage storage at a cheaper level without having to invest in on-premise primary storage for holding data for long term. So that it's also something that is coming soon with Veeam and Pure working together.
That's perfect. So the partnership's there. Thank you for being part of our Technology Alliance program, because that's where you guys are. Thanks for presenting our booth today. And by the way, we're in the Pure booth. It's getting loud back behind us. And I know there's a big green booth just down the way that I can see that's huge here at Explore 2022. So what are some of the big things you guys are talking about in your booth?
Ransomware, VMware Cloud on AWS.
It's a multi-cloud world, right?
Everything from data sprawl to just how do we do a regular backup and make sure that we can recover the data.
Thank you so much. Look, you go to purestorage.com/Veeam. You're going to find a whole bunch of information about the partnership and lots of Pure validated designs along these lines. It's been a great relationship. Thanks for your time.
Yeah,
let's go and enjoy the rest of VMware Explore 2022.
Sounds good. Thank you.